those are the tragedies of farm transition. People don't think through all the different scenarios. They think they're just going to pass it on in inheritance. It may never get that far. It may never get that far because of business structure and unforeseen events, aging, health issues, accidents, right? Lawsuits, all kinds of stuff can get involved here and screw up the best intentions. So we've done the best job we can to structure a transition that really what it does is it provides a toolbox of alternatives to our children. Do we do it all with our own head? No. University of Minnesota Extension has a wonderful program for farm succession. We participated in those classes. We have a farm attorney. We have a farm accountant. At some point, if you're a real business, right, with a sustainable economic base, then you have those helps that make sure that you're dotting all the I's and crossing all the T's and avoiding as many pitfalls as you can.